Hello everybody, good afternoon. This family link with Mr. Kabada. Here is remedial model questions for remedial students. So the questions are only grammar part. So I'll try to just give explanation and we will give some hints, especially for showing the approach of the question and make ready to take a very interesting grade. So let me start the question. If possible, I'll give you some time to answer by yourself, and then I'm giving for the answer for every question, please here. The first question: the war blank Israel and Iran is critical. I don't think there might be solutions here. So the distractors are among, between, for each other. So first of all, what's the idea of the question here? The war blank Israel and Iran is critical. I don't think there might be. We think of two things here: the country between Israel and Iran. So what is the best word to combine these sentences here? So when do we use among, between? Yeah, that's among means if the listed items are more than 2, 3, 4, 5, you had better use among. If the listed items are at least 2, you can just use between. And for is a preposition, but the question, the war for Israel and Iran is critical. I don't think there might the war for it. No, the war each other is impossible to complete the question with C, D, and A. So the answer is between. Between, please. And she's between, or Alex is between Thomas and Mustafa. So you can say it. ልክ አሁን በሰጠኋችሁ ማብራሪያ አመንግ ስትጠቀሙ ሊስት የምታደርጓቸው የተደረጉት አይተሞች አትሊስት 3 እና ከዛ በላይ ከሆኑ አመንግ እንጠቀማለን። ቢትዊን ግን ሊስትድ አይተሞቹ ሁለት መሆን መቻል አለባቸው። ፎር እና ኢች አዘር አክቹአሊ ኢች አዘር ሪሲፕሮካል ፕሮናውን ነው። ሚቹዋል ሪሌሽንሺፕ ነው የምናይበት እንጂ አትሊስት ይሄን ኮምፕሊት ሊያደርግ የሚችል አይደለም። these are prepositions by the way, among and between. I know the two fellows, they are friendly and they think of. I know the two fellows, yeah, they are friendly and they think of blank. Each other, one another, others, and other. They are kinds of pronouns actually. Was each other, one another, they are from the same pronoun which is reciprocal pronoun. Others and others are not reciprocal pronouns actually. So anyway, when do we use each other? If the things are at least 2, or the person, if we talk about 2 things or 2 person, we should use each other. If the person or the things are more than 2, more than 2 means beginning from 3 until the infinite number or many in number, one another is also better. So I'm talking about 2 friends here. I know the two fellows means the 2 boys, they are friendly and they think of each other. We use this reciprocal pronoun about to show about their mutual relationship. Yes, mutual reciprocal pronoun ዋና አጠቃቀማችን ግንኙነትን የምንገልጽበት ነው። mutual relationshipን የምንገልጽበት ነው ፕሮናውን ማለት። ስለዚህ each other by the way is a pronoun ካልኩ የሚተካው ነገር አለ። የሚተካው ነገር ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር two fellows የሚለው ነው የሚተካላችሁ። each other እሱ ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ። ስለዚህ ስለማን ነው የማወራው? ስለ ሁለቱ ነው የማወራው። ስለ ሁለቱ የማወራ ከሆነ የሁለቱን ግንኙነት የምገልጽ የማወራ ከሆነ each other best and better reciprocal pronoun ነው። I know the villagers ብዬ ለምሳሌ ባው the villagers ብዬ ማወራ villagers we think of more than 100. So one another is the best answer here. Question number 3. Question number 3. The question is blank, difficult blank answer, so that I decided to ignore them to save my time. Yeah, very clear question. And 2, do we have some kind of conjunctions? So that, of course, what so that here? What so that mean? Is it a kind of adverb clause of result? What about to? Yes, the same one. Do we have to and to that different? Okay. ልዩነት አላቸው። do we have this kind of sentence structure? word structure አለን? ይሄ አለን፣ እዚህ ጋር አለን። ስለዚህ ጥያቄው መጀመሪያ ማየት ነው። look here, the questions are blank, difficult blank answer, so that I decided to ignore them means so that I can't do ማለት ነው። yes, so that I can't do the question because they are too difficult, they are tricky, they are complex. It means if you answer to ካላችሁኝም አሁንም ልክ ነው። to ማለት if you want to describe something which is beyond the limit. Alright, ምን ማለት ነው ማለት 2 plus adjective plus 2 plus verb 1 ማለት ነው ወይም 2 plus adverb plus 2 plus verb 1 ነው የምንጠቀመው ስለዚህ difficult by itself is an adjective ለምሳሌ the tea is too hot 2 plus hot adjective to drink and a main verb no bare infinitive no of course or the shell like just right the bag is too heavy to carry 2 plus heavy which is an adjective to carry 2 plus carry is a verb 1 በዚህ መልኩ ነው ቱቱን የምትጠቀሙበት ወይ የምንጠቀምበት ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ቃል either adjective ወይም adverb ከሆነ the right structureአችን ማለት ነው ቱቱ ነው ሶን ስትጠቀሙ so adverb ነው adjectiveን adverbን verbን modify ያደርጋል ይሄ ሐሳቡን ኮምፕሊት አድርጉ the questions are so difficult that answers so that impossible to complete just like this ሊሰጠን አይችልም ማለት ነው Question number 4. We never deny the reality. We never deny the reality. That's blank. No one tries to teach us. No one tries to cheat us. Fact is fact. Yes, reality is reality. True is true. Reality is true. What do you understand from this one? We never deny the reality. Thus, what fact is fact? Yes, right. Is ways of completing of ideas, right? አሁን የሚፈልገው ሐሳቡ ተቀምጧል ይሄን ሐሳብ በአጭር እንግሊዘኛ እንዴት ኮምፕሊት አድርጉት ነው yes and if you want to just an emphasis for the expression the idea which is written here I can just use this kind of phrase yeah በተቀመጠው ሐሳብ ላይ emphasis መስጠት ስፈልግ እንዲህ አይነት ኤክስፕሬሽኖችን ይሰጣሉ ምንም ማንንም ሊያጭበረብረን ችት ሊያደርገን አይችልም ምን ማለት ነው never deny ሪያሊቲውን ዲናይ ማድረግ የለብንም ስለዚህ ፋክት ነው የምትሉት ፋክት ነው እውነታ ነው እንጂ true is true we don't have this kind of structure please የለንም true is true አንልም reality is reality አንልም reality is true አንልም fact is fact means the fact is supported with evidences so fact is fact all right so ብላችሁ ነው የምናስቀምጠው question number 5 actually question number 5 even though it rains heavily blank we will enjoy our holiday outside we never go outside the ground is mud there might be flooding in the town yeah even though it rains heavily you first understand the adverbial or the subordinate clause ይሄን adverbial clause ነው የምትሉት ይሄን መጀመሪያ ጽንሰ ሐሳቡን መረዳት ነው ይሄን ከተረዳን በኋላ ኮምፕሊት የምናደርገው main clause ፍንጭ ሊሰጠኝ ይችላል even though it rains heavily which it needs an opposite meaning with the subordinate clause ለዚህ subordinate clause ተቃራኒ የሆነ ሐሳብ ምክንያቱም even though although though no matter how despite in spite of which are adverb clause of contrast nature so there might be here an opposite meaning here we will enjoy our holiday outside of course we never go outside no meaning at all the ground is mud there might be flooding in the town yes skewed ምንም እንኳን ከባድ ዝናብ ቢጥልም we enjoy outside ያ ውጪ ሄደን እንጫወታለን we never go outside አትልም ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ ነው the ground is mud no ዝናብ ሳይጥል መሬቱ ጭቃ ሊሆን አይችልም there might be flooding in the town where right flooding ሊፈጠር ይችላል okay yes ምንም እንኳን ለዚህ የሚሆነው there might not be flooding in the town or there is no flooding at all yes ምንም እንኳን ከባድ ዝናብ ቢጥልም ከተማ ውስጥ ምንም አይነት የጎርፍ መጥለቅለቅ የለም ሐሳቡ ተቃራኒ ናቸው እነዚህ እንደዛ ቢሆን ግን መልስ ሊሆን አይችልም so the answer is ማነው ምትሉልኝ a ብላችሁ ትመልሱልኝ አላችሁ ልክ ነው yeah even though it rains will play outside with my friends ልትሻል ቢጥልም ከጓደኛ ጋር ውጭ ጫወታለሁ ሁለቱ ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች ናቸው exactly number 6 they know what they are going to do they know what they are going to do blank they may not ask anyone who help them yes they know what they are going to do anyway so such as in order to for some are actually adverb or subordinating conjunctions this is purpose adverb clause of purpose no in order to adverb clause of purpose no adverb clause of purpose no subordinating conjunction no but ይሄ ጥያቄ subordinate conjunction ይፈልጋል reason ይገልጻል purpose ይገልጻል reason ወይም time ይገልጻል ይሄኛው purpose ነው የሚገልጸው so they know what they are going to do so that they may not ask anyone who helps them የሚሰሩትን ያውቃሉ ስለዚህ ማንንም ሰው እንዲያግዛቸው ሊጠይቁ አይችሉም ብለን ነው የምትመልሰው። this is so that mean purpose. yes, the little lady blank in green restaurant is talented or gifted which my mother works. yes, little lady blank in green restaurant is talented. yeah, right. which mother works, whose mother works, whom mother works, who mother works. Which one do you think is the possible clause to complete for the question here? If you depend the subject here or complete subject, we can say that because the simple subject is modified by the different modifiers, which is adjectives of here, the little, and the quantifier or the what's called the article there. that's okay. ይሄ ሐሳብ መገለጽ ያለበት እዚህ ጋር ያለውን ኮምፕሊት ሰብጀክት ነው መገለጽ የፈለገው። ይሄን ደግሞ ምንድነው የምንለው? ይሄ እዚህ ጋር ያለው ስፒከር ወይም ባለቤት ፐርሰን ከሆነ ኦሬዲ የምንጠቀምባቸው ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውኖች አሉ። who, whom and whose and that ልትጠቀሙ ትችላላችሁ። እዚህ ጋር የሚፈልገው ነገር ፖሴሽን ነው። ፖሴሽን ከሆነ ደግሞ ማን ነው የምትጠቀሙት? whose mother works ምን ማለት ነው? ይሄ ማለት the little lady her mother works in green restaurant ማለት ነው። her mother ፖሰሲቭ አድጀክቲቮችን ሊተካ የሚችል ብቸኛው ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውኖችን whose ነው። whoseን ከከተታችሁ ደግሞ ፖሴሽን ነው ካልኩ ስምን ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው። ስለዚህ ይሄ mother ማለት ስም ነው አይደለ? which motherን አይገልጽም፣ ምክንያቱም which things and animals ነው። whom object of the verb ነው። or object of the verb ነው ማለት ስምን ተከትሎ አይሄድም፣ ፖሴሽንን አይገልጽም። who subjective case ነው። subjective case ከሆነ ደግሞ ቨርብን ተከትሎ ነው የሚሄደው እንጂ ስምን ተከትሎ ሊሄድ አይችልም። ስለዚህ the right answer ምንድነው? ፖሴሽንን ኢንዲኬት ሊያደርግልን የሚችለው ሪላቲቭ ፕሮናውናችን whose ብቻ ነው። the little lady whose mother works. yes, right, absolutely. this is the relative pronoun question now, please. nice. question number 8 blank. yeah, surprising. yeah, what's called exclamation mark. Some unethical traders have collected, look here, some unethical traders have collected a lot of money illegally due to the conflict. yes, conflicትን ግጭቱን የዓለም አቀፋዊ ግጭቱን መሰረት በማድረግ unethical ስነ ምግባር የሌላቸው ነጋዴዎች ወይም አጭበርባሪዎች ነው ማለት ይቻላል have collected a lot of money. yes, ብዙ ሳንቲሞችን እየሰበሰባሉ ነው ወይም ሰበሰቡ ነው። yes, so this is and a strong feeling of every individual strong feeling. all right, every individual strong feeling, absolutely, which is happening the current time, please. Additionally, do you think is this an addition for what happened first? Totally some unethical, surprisingly, because it's a surprise. ኤቨንቱ ሐሳቡ በጣም የሚያስገርም ጉዳይ ነው። ይሄን strong feeling የሚገልጽበት ብቸኛ adverb clause of manner surprisingly ነው። unethical traders have collected competitively. It's not the position to insert competitively. it doesn't show competition between the two. Totally is not a matter of completing for the sentence. no. additionally, there is no background information, so this is not the supplementary or the additional information for the first one, so we cannot insert additionally, please, because the event here is the sentence here is a surprising event, so we can just use surprising adverbs and expressions. exactly. surprisingly, I don't expect such from my friend. ያ ልል እችላለሁ አይደል? የሚያስገርም ነገር ሲፈጠር ካልጠበቁት ነገር ያልጠበቁት ነገር ሲፈጠር surprising ነው የምገልጸው። surprising ሲገልጽ ደግሞ በእንደዚህ አይነት smart expression ነው። this is not a political agenda, blank is academic discussion, so you should turn your mind with regard to academic issue. right, this is not a political agenda አይደለም። ያ philosophy is academic discussion, so you should turn your mind with regard to academic issue. rather, what rather means? If you compare two things and you intend to do one of the two, you can just use rather. Meanwhile, it's a conjunction, but the question doesn't use a kind of conjunction. Even so, it's a conjunction. What if is also simply with what if whenever you are talking about something which has a contrast view. yes, and a contrast view. If you answer rather, rather ማለት የተሻለውን ሐሳብ ደግፈ ስትሄድ ማለት ነው። this is not a political agenda, rather it is academic discussion, so you should turn your mind with regard to what? academic issue. rather ይሄን ብታረግ ይሄን ብትፈጽም ይሄን ማድረግ ነው። ይሄ ራዘር ማለት የተሻለውን ሐሳብ ሰፖርት አድርገህ ስትሄድ የምትጠቀምበት ወርድ ነው። This is a global problem. This is a global problem, but blank. It's only given to Ethiopia. But it's only given to Ethiopia. Is it possible to complete what is the intent, the central, or the meaning here? What kind of expression, what kind of sentence really went us here? Yeah, ይሄ ጥያቄ ምንድን ነው የሚፈልገው? This is a global problem, but blank. It's only given to Ethiopia. Global problem ነው ለኢትዮጵያ ነገር ግን ለኢትዮጵያ ብቻ የተሰጠ ነው. Is it possible? Alright, it's not given only to Ethiopia. What's here? It's not given only to Ethiopia. Given only. What only means? ምንድነው ጥቅሙ እዚህ ጋር? It's not given only to Ethiopia. Take care of the use of only, please. ጥያቄው የኦንሊ ጥያቄ ነው እዚህ ጋር. It's not only given to Ethiopia. It's not only given ስንል ኢትዮጵያን ሳይሆን መገለጽ የተፈለገው only given ሌላም ነገር አለ ማለት ነው። only given ማለት or only doing something ሊሆን ይችላል። only done ሊሆን ይችላል። only ምናምን ሊሆን ይችላል። only ከዚህ ሐሳብ ጋር ከዚህ verb ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችል ጉዳይ ነው ኢንሰርት የምናደርገው እንጂ ኢትዮጵያን የሚገልጽ አይደለም። it's not only given to Ethiopia but ብለን ነው የምንለው። it's not given to Ethiopia only ለኢትዮጵያ ብቻ የተሰጠ አይደለም። it's not given to Ethiopia only የሚለው ማን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ እዚህ ጋር? ኢትዮጵያ ነው። ለኢትዮጵያ ብቻ የተሰጠ አይደለም ነው። ስለዚህ my question is which expression really reflects about the problem really touches Ethiopia? So the answer is D actually. Yeah, በደንብ ይኸው ጥያቄውን please. A lot of children blank during the war between Israel and Lebanon. A lot of children blank during the war between Israel and Lebanon. Kills are killing, were killed. The war between, so a passive voice ነው የሚፈልገው because there is an external force, right? An external force እዚህ ጋር external force ምንድነው? The war between Israel and Lebanon ነው። so were killed. past passive ትሉታላችሁ። The remedial exam. This remedial exam blank an opportunity to those who want to improve their entrance exam result. Created, and create. Yeah. This remedial exam, this is sentence ነው የምትሉት ይሄንን። ስለዚህ which you count is singular, alright? የምታዩት እንደምንድን ነው? እንደ አንድ event ነው። እንደ አንድ singular ስለሆነ event ነው። So it needs singular verb creates and creates ምን ይፈጥራል? ያ ውጤታቸውን ማሻሻል ለሚፈልጉ ተማሪዎች እድል ይፈጥራል። It creates. I'm talking about the remedial exam which is counted as one event here. Created, no, because it's created ማለት ፈጥሯል አሁን አቁሟል ማለት ነው። alright, creates ስንል plural form ነው አይደለም። ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማለት ነው creates ነው። creates an opportunity please. Question number 13. Blank. What special challenge you face? What special challenge you face? Yes. A. You are always complaining. You always complain. Ye complained. You have complained. Yes. There is a need of critical thinking, please. What special challenge you face? Yes, right. Now, what's the answer here? Present continuous. You are always complaining. What special challenge you face? ምን የተለየ ቻሌንጅ ችግር አጋጠመህ ነው ወይስ ያጋጥምሃል ነው? You are always complaining ማለት something which happen more often than the expected time, right? More often than the expected time. That's called present continuous with habitual action እንጠቀማለን። You always complain is normal event ነው. Yes, and a normal ነው። ስለዚህ more often አይደለም ድርጊቱ የተካከለው። What special challenge you face ስንል something happened repeatedly ማለት ነው አይደል? something happened repeatedly ማለት ነገሩ በተደጋጋሚ ቻሌንጅ አጋጥሞታል። ስለዚህ ይሄን ጉዳይ ነው የምቀይቀው። you always complain normal complain ነው። maybe አንድ ጊዜ ሁለት ጊዜ ሶስት ጊዜ ከዚህ በላይ የሆነን ኮምፕሌን ስትገልጹ ደግሞ present continuous with habitual action acceptable ነው please. yeah, something which happen more often than the expected time, present continuous with adverse of frequency is the most important please. they do not have the same meaning please ከዚህ ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም የላቸው more often than የሚል ሐሳብ አይደለም የሚገልጽላችሁ ስለዚህ you are always complaining what special challenge you face exactly whatever you said I feel because I know you are sarcastic yes whatever yes right ምንድነው የሚላችሁ whatever you said I feel blank because I know you are sarcastic yes something nothing everything and anything here anything yes anything nice so whatever you said I feel nothing because I know you are sarcastic yeah when do we say these are indefinite pronoun which refers about things something which has positive meaning which we don't know the thing positive sentence we don't know nothing which is negative meaning and precedes with positive verb I feel nothing positive verb ነው nothing እንጠቀማለው ትርጉሙ ግን ኔጌቲቭ ነው everything which is more open የሆነ ሐሳብ ነው የምንገልጸው anything for question and negative ለምሳሌ I don't feel anything ነው I don't feel anything I feel nothing ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም ነው ያላቸው ኔጌቲቭ ነው ፖዚቲቭ ቨርብ አስከትሎ ይሄዳል and positive just ይሄኛው ኔጌቲቭ ነው ኔጌቲቭ ቨርቦችን አስከትሎ ይሄዳል መልሳችሁ nothing ነው I feel nothing because I know you are sarcastic አሽሟጣጭ ነው ስለማቀ ምንም የፈለከው ነገር ብትል ምንም ነገር አይሰማኝም ነው right sarcastic mean so that is please yeah I feel something አትልም question number 50 Ethiopia is on the way Ethiopia is on the way blank quality education there are some more things which show the changes yes all right Ethiopia is on the way getting quality education to getting quality education to get quality education and getting into quality education on the way if you insert getting does it give sense please Ethiopia is on the way getting no meaning incomplete Ethiopia is on the way to getting we don't have such kind of verb pattern does it except someone please to get verb plus 2 absolutely because it's on the way to get quality education yeah Ethiopia is on the way to get no metut getting አይደለም getting quality education going ማለት gerund ነው ስለዚህ on the way የሚለው phrase የሚወስደው ይሄን gerund ሳይሆን infinitive verb ነው የሚወስደው ስለዚህ to get quality education ማለት it is on the way ነው አሁን የመጣ ነው እንጂ enjoy እያደረግነው ነው ማለት አይደለም complete ወለ change አልመጣም of course but there are some clues የሆነ ፍንጭ የሚሰጠኑ ነገሮች ግን አሉ so that's what I want to say here some parents ignore the children because of unknown reasons and I create them they are blank some parents ignore the children because of unknown reasons and I create them they are lovable loving loveless lovability የጥያቄው አይነት part of speech ነው adjective adverb verb እና noun ነው የጠየኳቸው እዚህ ጋር so from ከኮንተንቱ ከኢንተንቱ ተነስታችሁ የትኛውን ቃል ይወስዳል you can predict it yeah so እዚህ ጋር ተቀመጠላችሁ some parents ignore the children because of unknown reasons and I create them they are loveless was loveless they are loveless ምንድነው loveless adjective ማለት ነው loveless ማን የሚገልጽላችሁ the pronoun they ወይም some parents ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ actually some parents ነው ስለዚህ adjective ነው ማለት ነው ስለዚህ lovable አይደለም lovability የሚባል structure የለም loving የሚልለም so the answer is actually that question 17 blank the country's overpopulation most of the people's life will be below the expected standard blank the country's overpopulation most of the people's life will be below the expected standard yeah anyway you read the question and understand and come the choices please although ስትጠቀሙ ሁለቱ ተቃራኒ ሐሳብ because cause የሚገልጽላችሁ ከሆነ in spite of ከalthough ከeven though ጋር ተመሳሳይ ትርጉም አለው ግን ያረፍተ ነገሩ ስትራክቸር ይለያያል ለምሳሌ in spite of ስትጠቀሙ የif clause ወይም subordinate clause noun phrase መሆን መቻል አለበት clauseን ተከትሎ አይሄድም clause ማለት at least subject plus verb ማለት ነው clause ማለት ይሄ noun phrase ማለት ደግሞ normally head word ወይም መሪ ቃሉ ስም የሆነ በፍሬዝ መልክ የተገለጸ ነው because of ስንል ደግሞ phrases of reason ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ አሁን የጠየቀው ነገር the country's overpopulation yes because of the country's overpopulation most of the lives will be below in spite of the country's overpopulation all right because አንልም also አንልም ሁለቱ ተቃራኒ ሐሳቦች አይደሉም መልሳችሁ ማን ነው የሚሆነው yes ለምንድነው አገሪቱ ህዝቦች የኑሮ ሁኔታቸው ከተጠበቀው ስታንዳርድ በታች ነው ምክንያቱም ኦቨር ፖፑሌሽን ስለሆነ ነው የሚላችሁ yes reason ነው ምክንያቱም ኦቨር ፖፑሌሽን ከአቅም በላይ አገሪቱ ከምትይዘው አቅም በላይ ፖፑሌትድ የሆነ ህዝብ አለ ማለት ነው because of look at the country's overpopulation this called a noun phrase because ይሄ population የምትሉት ስም ነው በራሱ ይሄ ስም በፍሬዝ ተገለጸ ስለዚህ ምን ትሉታላችሁ noun phrase ለምን noun phrase ተባለ ሄድ ወርዱ noun ስለሆነ ነው ሌሎቹ ምንድናቸው determinate እዚህ ጋር possessive noun አለ የሆነ ነገር አለ እዚህ ጋር determinate አለ so because of question number 80 education at the primary level blank changes and they primarily write, read and do simple mathematics questions. Mathematical questions, yeah. Mathematical questions. Ethiopia at the primary level blank changes and they primarily write, read and do simple mathematical questions. Yeah, has got, has getting, have get and has get. Yes, education at the primary level has get changes ስለዚህ ጉዳይ ነው የምታው sentence ነው የምታው it's normally singular እንትሮችን ተጠቀማለን have got education at the primary level is ወይም የሆነ plural ሐሳብ ሊገልጽ የሚችል ቢሆን have got እንጠቀማለን yes you do have this የለንም እዚህ ጋር so has get this is singular and this is singular we do have this kind of verb pattern የላቸውም I got nothing from this guy and that I know he belong a liar all right I got nothing from this guy that I know yeah he must be a liar he will be a liar he should be a liar so must be if you have an evidence certainty የምንገልጽበት ብቸኛ ሞዴል verbaችን ነው because I got nothing from the guy that I know የማውቀው ልጅ ከዚህ ምንም ነገር አልጠብቅም ምንም ነገር አላገኝም he must be a liar ነው deduce አደረኩት ማለት ነው she realized that it is not important to her life so she blank use it don't have to doesn't have to haven't got to will not to what is here look she realized that it's not important to her life አረጋግጣች ለሷ ህይወት ለሷ future career ምንም ጥቅም የለውም ስለዚህ መጠቀም የለባትም ነው አይደለም ይለን she ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት አንደኛ ሰብጀክቱን እዚህ ጋር ይወጥ ሰብጀክቱ she ነው 30% ሲንጉለር ነው don't አይጠቀምም ይሄን አይጠቀምም አይደለ ይሄንም አንጠቀም መልሳችን ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ነው ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት ያ she realized she deduced that this is not important to her life so she doesn't have to use it means it's not necessary to use it if not necessary to use it if she wants she can use again ማለት doesn't have to ማለት በነገራችን ላይ doesn't have to don't have to doesn't need to don't need to necessity የምንገልጽባቸው ሞዳል ቨርብስ ናቸው doesn't need to አስፈልግም ሪከቨር ማድረግም አንችልም እንደገና መስራት አንችልም ማለት ነው doesn't have to እና don't have to ስንጠቀም ግን አስፈልገኝም ለጊዜው የሚያስፈልገኝ ከሆነ እንደገና መጠቀም ይችላል የሚል ትርጉም ነው የሚሰጧቸው እነዚህ don't have to and doesn't have to yes she realized that it's not important to her life so she doesn't have to use it it's not necessary to use at the time being if she wants she needs use need plus to አንጠቀም she needs use this event again doesn't have to ይሄ ነው ትርጉሙ please doesn't need to don't need to የሚለይበት ይሄ ከፈለጉ መጠቀም ይችላሉ የሚል ነገር ስለሚሰጥ ነው ስለዚህ doesn't have no necessary የሚል ትርጉም ነው የሚሰጣችሁ please question number 21 Abil and Bekele, I want recent information about the exit exam. Bekele, oh no, sorry, I haven't got any. Oh no, sorry, I haven't got any. Yeah, yes, sorry, the exam will have been given next month. Yes, sorry, what's sorry mean? Good idea, maths will not be included in the exit exam. No, how brilliant you are, I forgot it. How brilliant you are, I forgot. No answer, please here. The answer is, oh no, I haven't got any idea. Means, no. በጣም ይቀጣ ምንም ማቀው ነገር የለኝም ነው በመጥለው yes sorry ብለህ አትመልስም great idea must will be included no great idea ሐሳብ ለሚሰጠው እኮ ምን አይነት ኢንፎርሜሽን አለ ስለ ኤግዚት ኤግዛሙ ነው ጥሩ ሐሳብ ነው ስለዚህ ሂሳብ አይካተትም ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ላይ no how brilliant you are what makes him brilliant what makes ይሄን ባለ brilliant ያሰኘው ረስቸው ነበር እንደዚህ ያለው I want recent information አለ አይደል recent information ካለው recent information ነግሯል ከሌለው ደግሞ sorry ብሎ እንደመጀመሪያው መልስ ይሰጧል ነው። But C is not the answer. Take care, please. Must not be included in the exit exam. No. No one can answer just like this, please. What information are you going to give about the exit exam? Yes, I have some information. The exit exam will be given on June, something like that. If we don't, no, sorry, I haven't heard or I haven't met or I haven't got any information about the exit exam. That's negative response actually. The doctor recommended you blank far from drugs because it's harmful to your health. Staying, to staying, and stayed. አሁን የሚጠይቃችሁ ምንድነው? verb pattern ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ። verb plus ing, verb plus to, verb plus object plus to, and verb plus either to or ing. These are examples of verb pattern. recommend ሁልጊዜ የሚወስደው verb plus object ይፈልጋል። I recommend you, I recommend her, or the doctor recommended me to do something because it is the time to recommend to do something in the future. He proposed something, then I'm going to implement in the future. Which is shows about plan ነው አይደል? recommend ሲያደርገኝ recommend ካደረገኝ ቀን ጀምሮ ወደፊት የምፈጽመው ነው። ስለዚህ verb to plus verb form ነው የምጠቀመው። recommend to stay ነው። staying አይደለም። staying ማለትማ enjoying የሚል ትርጉም የሚያሰጣባቸው enjoy የሚያደርግ nice. Number 23, I would rather go home than to stay in my office. I would rather, which is talking about preference. I would rather. If you express about preferences, use would rather and prefer, likes, abominate, dislikes, something like that. So my question is here, would rather የምንጠቀም ከሆነ ማን ነው ከዚህ ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችለው? ዛን ካላችሁ ትክክል ናችሁ። I would rather, yes, I would rather go home than, I would rather go home than to go home. Yes, I would rather to go home than to stay in my office. ፓራሊዝም መምጣት ስላለበት ነው። yes, ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ? than better አንልም፣ then አንልም፣ to አንልም። Wait a minute please, let me park my car. Wait a minute please, let me park my car here. I haven't got any parking there. These are anywhere, somewhere, nowhere, everywhere. It is indefinite pronoun ናቸው። ከanything ከsomething ከምናምን ጋር anybody anyone ከዚህ ጋር እነዚህ anywhere indefinite pronoun ሆነው ግን ምን ነው ኢንዲኬት የሚያደርጉት? place ነው የሚያደርጉት። anywhere for question and negative sentence. I don't park, I can't park anywhere here. I can't park my car. I can't park my car anywhere here. Anywhere, negative plus anywhere. Can I park my car anywhere here? Yes, question. Can I park my car anywhere here? ሁለት አጠቃቀማለሁ። Somewhere. I have got just a space here, so I can park my car somewhere here. Somewhere here እችላለሁ። Nowhere. There is no space here. There is no place to park my car. There is no place to park, or I haven't got a place to park nowhere here. Alright, I have parked my car nowhere here. I have parked my car nowhere ሲል እዚህ ጋር ቦታ የለም ለማቆም positive verb plus nowhere. Everywhere, of course, no car in the basement, the parking, so I can park everywhere I like. I park my car everywhere I like. Everywhere, more open ያደርገዋል ስፔሱን። ስለዚህ wait a minute please, let me park my car somewhere here, but I haven't got any parking there. ስለዚህ somewhere here. let me park my car nowhere here አትሉም አይደለ? እዚህ ጋር ነው። እዛ አካባቢ ላይ ማግኘታችን somewhere here እዚህ ጋር ላቆም እችላለሁ ነው። let me park my car somewhere here. I haven't got any parking there. All right, question number 25. Nowadays the industrial products like the cause of transmitted disease is, are, was, and have. Industrial products. This is found as plural subjects, so it takes what? This verb, please, are. Industrial products, yeah, they are counted as plural. The products is atilum, was atilum, have atilum. So the answer is here are. ምክንያቱም እዚህ be forms of verb ነው የሚገልጸው subject verb agreement parallelism ነው። industrial products, waste products, of course. Life in a big city is becoming blank and blank. So mayor of the city makes agreement with the foreign investors to build a number of apartments in a short time. Life in a big city is becoming blank and blank. So the city makes agreements with the foreign investors to build a number of apartments in a short time. Take an example. Yeah. Worst and worst. Worse and worse. Worse and worst. Worst and worse. No parallel. The pair of words are wrongly parallel. Worst and worse, of course, superlative degree now. Worse and worse, comparative now, which is called parallel comparative እንለዋለን parallel ማለት ሁለቱም ወርዶች በሲሚላር structure ሆኑ ናቸው worse ይላል and worse ይሄ comparative ነው ይሄ superlative no they do not go together worst and worse ይሄም ልክ እንደዛው ሊሆን አይችልም ስለዚህ parallel comparative ማለት is becoming more difficult and more difficult the problem is worse and worse ስንል ችግሩ progressively bit by bit increase እያደረገ መሄዱን የምንገልጽበት degrees of comparison we can say parallel comparison ነው የምትሉት ይሄን parallel no progressive comparison sorry progressive comparison more and more parallel ማለት the plus comparative parallel ነው the same structure ይሄ ግን progressive ነው progressive ማለት ችግሩ እየባሰ መሄዱን የምናሳይበት comparative formaችን we can say progressive bit by bit ማለት ነው life in a big city is becoming worse and worse worst and worst አይደለም ነው ምክንያቱም worst and worse progressive አይደለም progressive superlative ማለት ነው we don't have any kind of structure please ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ worse and worse the lecture is blank fascinating blank a lot to learn with him so a sat such sat so sat to የጥያቄው adverb clause of result ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ result ነው የሚጠይቃችሁ so sat such that so as that such as that እና soን ራሱን ተቀበታለን ስለዚህ so as that ሚል structure ይላችሁም ይሄ ስህተት ነው ማለት ነው such that of course adjective ነው ይሄ such that ማለት adjective ከሆነ ስምን ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ ስምን እዚህ ጋር ያለው ምን አይነት ስምን ነው mass noun ወይም plural noun መሆን ይችላል አለበት because it doesn't have any article here so that adverb ነው adverb ከሆነ ደግሞ either adjectiveን ወይም adverbን ወይም verboች ነው modify የሚያደርገው to adjective ነው ነገር ግን የሚገልጽላችሁ ሐሳብ things which are more emphatic የሆነ ሐሳብ ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ to ማለት but የሚፈልግ አይደለም ይሄን so the lecture is so fascinating by itself is participle adjective that a lot to learn with him exactly this is the result for this one ለዚህ ነው adverb clause of result ናቸው አልኳቸው ለምሳሌ the lecture is such fascinating አንልም ምክንያቱም እዚህ ጋር ናውን መኖር አለበት ናውን የለም ስሙ even እንኳን ስም ቢኖር ማስ ናውን ማለት plural ናውን ነው መሆን ያለበት such ሊሆን አይችልም ስለዚህ መልሳችሁ ማን ነው so fascinating nice yeah when I was taking the remedial examination one of the invigilator he signed on my question paper put has put here when I was taking which is the past continuous question now when you were in the middle of taking remedial examination suddenly one of the invigilator put his sign on your question paper which is simple past because this word is an irregular verb the same form whenever you use put for present for past and for past participle but I want to give a clue from here because when I was taking it infers about the past continuous so I had better use this put which it is functioned as a simple past which is short action and it happened and by sudden actually so the answer is put here Hayat is obese but her sister is obese slender shapeless circular it's easy question but it seems easy but if you do not understand this question you cannot answer yeah Hayat is obese what's obese fat in me source more fat yes all right but her sister is obese no big what's but here ለምን but ተጠቀምኩኝ ተመሳሳይ ሐሳብ እዚህ ጋር የሚፈልግ ከሆነ but መጠቀም የለብኝም ከዚህ የተለየ ሐሳብ ለዚህ ለቀረበው ጉዳይ ተቀራኒ የሆነ ሐሳብ ነው የምፈልገው slender ነው የምትሉት slender slender thin or maybe or skinny ማለት ነው slender ማለት እዚህ ጋር ሀያት በጣም ወፍራም ነች በእህቷም ድረስ ቀጭንዬ ነች ነው slender ማለት shapeless አይደለም የምትለው shapeless obese ማለት ነው circular no circular it's not a word which describes about person የሚገልጽ adjective አይደለም circular ማለት exactly so the answer is slender. Question 30. They grew in the same town and they love each other. Moreover, their approach is blank. Yeah, they grew in the same town and they love each other. Moreover, their approach is friendly, friendhood, friendship. Their approach is actually friendly. But no friendship. Yeah, friendly. Their approach friendly. Adjective በነገራችን ላይ friendly adjective ነው adverb አይደለም ly ስለጨመረ ly አይደለም ማነው adverb አይደለም ስለዚህ friendly ካላችሁ their approach የሚለውን ነገር ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ yes that you did was wrong 31 that you did was wrong and that's why you lost the game if you belong correctly you belong the game በጠየቅ ተፈለኩት እኔ ይሄ የተቀመጠውን meaning እሱን አንደርስታንድ ማድረግ ከቻላችሁ የትኛው ኮንዲሽናል ነው ይሄን የሚወላልኝ ነው ራይት ይሄው that you did was wrong and that's why you lost the game alright የሰራው ስራ ስህተት ነው በዛ ምክንያት ነው ጌሙን ያጣው ወይ ማሸነፍ ያልቻልከው ካለ past regretting the past ነው regretting the past ደግሞ የትኛውን ኮንዲሽናል ነው የምትጠቀሙበት ነው if you understand this blackened expression you simply complete the question without any doubt ያለ ምንም ችግር ኮምፕሊት ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ unless ይሄን ትሪት ካላደረጋችሁ አትመልሱትም yes you did would run ይሄ ልክ ነው of course ግን would የሚባል structure በይን ክዝ ላይ በእንደዚህ ኮምፕሊት አታደርጉም have done if clause ላይ በpresent perfect ኮምፕሊት የምታደርጉበት ኮንዲሽናል የላችሁም had done past perfect ነው if clause ላይ would have would should plus present perfect conditional type 3 ነው እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ልክ ነው if clause past perfect ነው but main clause conditional to ነው arrangement ልክ አይደለም የmain clause እና የif clause arrangement ወይም verb structureአቸው ልክ አይደለም ሌሎቹ ስለዚህ ይሄን መልስ የምታገኙት ይሄን ስትመርጡ ነው ይሄ ለምሳሌ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት yes if you had done correctly በትክክል ብትጫወት you'd have won the game ጌሙን ማሸነፍ ትችል ነበር ማለት ያ ማለት wrongly ተጫውተሃል ስለዚህ you lost the game right ስለዚህ ምን ማለት ነው ይሄ ማለት if you had done correctly I didn't do correctly or I did wrong ማለት ነው I would have won the game I didn't win the game or I lost the game ማለት ነው exactly I lost the game ማለት ነው so the answer is here take care of these kind of conditionals አንዳንድ ጊዜ conditionals በዚህ approach ይመጣሉ ስለዚህ ይሄን ቴክኒክ መጠቀም 32 yesterday she acted blank so I never talked to her again throughout my life she acted blank what does acted means አሁን እየተፈለገ ያለው ይሄን verb እንዲገለጽ ነው ይሄን verb የሚገልጸው ደግሞ ማለት ነው badly ስትሉት ነው which is adverb ነው actually yes yesterday she acted badly so I never talked to her again throughout my life yeah but what started ነው ስለዚህ እስከ ፍጻሜ እሷ ጋር እንደገና ማውራት አልፈልግም 33 yeah artificial intelligence makes human's life easier but it develops blank it has advantages but it has some advantages because it develops dependent what's dependent it develops dependable what's dependable it develops dependency what about this one it develops depending you know yeah ስለዚህ ማን ነው ትሉት dependency what's dependency which is a noun ከየት አመጣውት depend ከሚለው አመጣ ነው ማለት ነው but it develops what dependency የፓርት ኦፍ ስፒች ጥያቄ ነው dependable possible ነው depending possible ነው dependent possible ነው dependent ወደ adjective ቀየርኩ ነው ግን የጥያቄ የሚፈልጋችሁ ምንድነው noun ነው የሚፈልጋችሁ it creates opportunity ብትሉ opportunity ምንድነው it's a noun dependency ምንድነው is a noun ከየት መጣ depend ከሚለው መጣ alright that is the intent please question ሐሳቡ ይሄን ነው she bought blank earrings for her wedding yeah imጠይቃችሁ ነገር ምንድነው order of adjectives ነው order of adjective which comes first which comes second which comes third means adjectives of number quality size age shape color origin plus noun ይሄ ነው order please last call number quality opinion ማለት ነው size age color shape shape color ከዛ origin ነው የምንገልጸው ስለዚህ unique small size age and shape color yes ልክ ነው ይኸውላችሁ unique opinion ነው quality ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ size ነው shape ነው ይሄ origin ነው ማቴሪያል ነው የሚገልጽላችሁ ይሄ size ነው quality ነው አይሆንም ተበላሸ እዚህ ጋር ይሄ shape ነው አይመንም ከሳይዝን ቀድሞ ሊመጣ አይችልም shape እዚህ ጋር opinion or quality ነው ከዛ shape መጣ all right or what about እዚህ ጋር the problem is here size age shape ነው size age shape ከኤጅ ቀጥሎ shape ይመጣል ነገር ግን ሳይዝ እና shape consecutive orderአቸውን አልጠበቁም that's wrong ስለዚህ ምንድነው ይሄ quality ነው size ነው እዚህ ጋር age አለ እዚህ ጋር shape አለ እዚህ ጋር origin አለ so the answer is this one place yeah መልሳችሁ ይሄ ነው አሁን የተናገርኩትን order ያዙት please question number 35 he can do his life here because he has blank friends little a little few a few a little and a little and a little they are adjectives of quantity which we use for uncountable nouns few and a few they are adjectives of quantity which we use for countable nouns but their implied meaning is also different a few means some no many few almost no የሚቆጠር ይችላል almost no a little uncountable almost close to negative some no much ማለት ነው ስለዚህ few friends almost ጓደኛ ያላትም ለዚህ ነው እዚህ አካባቢ ላይ enjoy አታረግም ያለው almost ጓደኛ ያላትም she has few friends yes some of them agree with the idea that I propose but blank others have raised different views the others other ones and some others but some others have no others have raised different views the others የሚለው article ዘና አይወስድም other ones የሚባል structure የለም some others we have different situation that we use some others right የሚጋብዘን situation አይደለም ይሄ ስለዚህ some others have አይደለም others have it's better to insert others please he asked me why do you go to the president's office it can be reported as a reported question ነው reported question report ስታደርጉት ደግሞ ራሱን የቻለ ቤዚክ ሩልስ አለው ያን ቤዚክ ሩል ተጠቅመን ነው ሪፖርት የምናደርገው አንደኛ pronoun መቀየር አለበት tense መቀየር አለበት or time expression መቀየር አለበት time ራሱ መቀየር አለበት adjective ካለ መቀየር አለበት adverb ካሉ መቀየር አራት አምስት ነገሮች መቀየር አለባቸው ሪፖርት ስናደርግ ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር he asked me እዚህ ጋር ተናጋሪው እሱ ነው why did you go to the president's office ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ቴንሱ ምንድነው ሲምፕል ፓስ ነው ሲምፕል ፓስ ከሆነ ሪፖርት ስታደርጉ ሁለት ጉዳይ አሉ ለሲምፕል ፓስ ስፔሻል ሰርከምስታንስ ነው ሲምፕል ፓስ ከሆነ በተለይ ጥያቄው ሲምፕል ፓስ ከሆነ አይዘር ወደ ሲምፕል ፓስ ሪፖርት ማድረግ ይችላልላችሁ ካልሆነ ደግሞ ወደ ፓስት ፐርፌክት ሪፖርት ማድረግ እንችላለን ዝም ብዬ ይሄን ሪፖርት ሳደርገው አሁን he said to that I went to the president's office አንደኛ look here problem እዚህ ጋር said reporting verb ነው እንጂ reporting question verb አይደለም ተበላሸ ጉዳዩ እዚህ ጋር ገብቷችኋል አይደል እዚህ ጋር to ሰዓት ሁለተኛ እና እንጠቀም እዚህ ጋር ምክንያቱም report question ነው እዚህ ጋር ጠየቀን the problem he asked me if I were the president's office he is እዚህ ጋር do you know the problem here እዚህ ጋር ትልቁ ችግር አይታችኋል if ነው የተጠቀምኩት እዚህ ጋር ያስቀራ if ነች ለምን ስህተት ነው ምክንያቱም ይሄ ጥያቄ yes no question አይደለም yes no question ቢሆን if ወይዘር ተጠቀማለሁ ስለዚህ yes no question ስላልሆነ ifን ተጠቀመ ስህተት ነው ካልሆነ ደግሞ እንደገና question word why ነው whyን እዚህ ጋር ሪፖርት ሳደርግ include ማድረግ አለብኝ አይደለ የለም ስለዚህ ስህተት ነው he asked me why I had gone to the president's office exactly this is a question word why and the speaker you is I myself and the tense here is simple past so I can change this simple past into past perfect so the right answer is C ብላችሁ ነው የምትመልሱኝ ካልሆነ ይሄ እንደ ሊሆን ይችላል he asked me why I went to the president's office ይቻላል why I went to the president's office ይቻላል simple past to simple past or simple past to the past perfect both are acceptable yes right እንደውም ወደ simple past ወደ past ብንገልጸው is better የተሻለ ነው የሚሆነው ያ ማለት ይሄ ልክ አይደለም እያልኩኝ አይደለም ኦፕሽን ግን አለን። ለዚህ ስፔሻል ኬዝ ነው ለሲምፕል ፓስት reported question. She has blank many friends here. Does she hates to leave from the town? Yes, right. She has so many friends, very many friends, much friends, too many friends, so many friends. This is an adverb, an adverb, an adverb, an adverb. ምክንያቱም adverb ነው፣ intensifying adverb ነው። ማን ይገልጽላችኋል? ሜኒ የሚለውን adjective ነው ሞዲፋይ ያደረገላችሁ ያለው። ሁለተኛ there is that clause here, that clause እዚህ ጋር አላችሁ። ብቸኛው ወርዳችሁ ከዚህ ጋር ሊሄድ የሚችለው ይሄ ነው። አሁን ያሳየኋችሁን ፍንጭ መጠቀም ነው። እዚህ ጋር that clause አለ። very many friends that ብለን አንሄድም። much uncountable ነው አይሆንም። too many friends አንልም። that ሊወስድ ስለማይችል ቱ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ብቸኛው ወርዳችሁ ማለት ነው so many friends. so much, the food has so much oil እንላለን። that I cannot eat it. The food has so much oil, so I cannot eat it. So plus many, so plus much, so absolutely no. But the intent is different, please. 39. 39. Don't whisper around her. Don't whisper around her. She is blank. She blank a short nap. She took a short nap. She was taking a short nap. She takes a short nap. She's taking a short nap. Yeah. The question, signal expression of truth here, please. ይሄንን በደንብ እዩት። ይሄንን በደንብ እዩት። ሃይ ፍሬንድስ ዶንት ዊስፐር ዶንት ዲስተርብ ሄር ዶንት ተች ሄር ማለት ነው። መቼ ነው የምጠቀመው? አት ታይም ኦፍ ስፒኪንግ ነው። ስለዚህ ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽኑ የሚሰጠኝ አክሽኑን ቴምፖራሊ እየሰራው ያለው ሲሆን ነው። አሁን አት ታይም ኦፍ ስፒኪንግ the time of speaking yes don't whisper around her እሷ አካባቢ ያታሾክሽኩም she's taking አጭር ሆነች አጭር እንቅልፍ ወስድ ተኝታለች ነው እያልኩ ያለው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ሲግናል ኤክስፕሬሽን ፕሬዘንት ኮንቲኒየስ እንድጠቀም አስገድዶኛል። Is it Saturday? Is it Saturday? And the phone is ringing. It belongs to Abraham. It will be Abraham. It could be Abraham. It must be Abraham. It should be. Why do I use A30? Lemon didn't know A30 because I have an appointment with Abraham. At this time, the expected time, Abraham is maybe phone. His will phone or phone is actual, alright? Lemon ተጠቀምኩኝ Abraham ቀጠሮ አለ በዚህ ሰዓት ሊደውል እንደሚችል ልክ 8 ሰዓት ተኩል ስልኩ ሲጠራ ማን ነው ምለው? It will be ሊሆን ይችላል ነው it could be ሊል ይችላል። it must be yes right። ይሄ ኤቪደንስ ቤዝድ ኩዌስችን ነው። must be ስንጠቀም certainty የምንገልጽበት ብቸኛ ሞዳል ቨርባችን ነው must be ፕላት because the time is given here is 8:30 and the phone is ringing it must be Abraham። ሌሎቹ ሞዳሎች impossible possibilityን የሚያሳዩ probabilityን የሚያሳዩ ሞዳል ቨርብስ ናቸው። should be አድቫይስ የምንጠቀምበት ነው እንጂ ይሄን possibility ሊገልጽ የሚችል አይደለም። ይሄ deduce ነው evidence ነው certainty ነው የምንገልጽበት so it must be Abraham. These are actually some of the grammar questions actually which are different from the previous questions that I published or which are on air. By the way, all the questions are my own or my original questions. I haven't copied any question from any sources. That's sure. Yeah. Even if የተጠቀምኳቸውን expression ብትወያቸው which is new አይደለ ከምንም source አንድም source ሳልወስድ my intention is how to make ready to take your exit exam. Right? Ready እናንተ exit exam እንድትወስዱ የተለያዩ ነገሮችን በመዳሰስ ነው ጥያቄዎችን ያዘጋጃችኋት። Anyway, I hope you'll watch the video and you'll subscribe, like, share and will write some comments. And for the time that's enough. Thank you for watching my YouTube or my video. And I hope you'll get some things from this one.